Hello guys, and welcome to another video. In this one we'll be doing the BMW X1 service. So we've got 10 litres of oil. I'll find out how much you actually need. Oil filter cap. This is a 87 millimeter. That's how much you need. I got this from Amazon because the normal ones don't fit. So yeah, 86. We've got the oil pan, we've got the air filter, we've got the cabin filter, and we've got the stands. Cool. Let's go jack up the car and I'll show what to do next. Follow me. See how the old one is bad and crap? Look how the old one's bad. The new one. Everybody right? First thing we do, make a small finger. Place it close to show them how opening the thing. So we're lubricating it. Okay, we have this other one. Guys, so I had a bit of a problem where I over tightened it and the cap kept falling off because it was oily. It got a bit slippery. So what I did was I put some duct tape around it, or sellotape, and that increases the grip, so then I was able to open it. So if you're struggling to open it, put some sellotape around it and then put the cap, and then you'll be able to open it. Hey guys, so now we're doing the cabin filter. These are 8mm bolts here. There's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 8. There's about 6 or 8. I think it's 6. 1, 2, 3. Yeah, 6. There's 6. 6 8mm bolts, and then this thing just goes up. So I'm just gonna unscrew them. I'll show you next bit.